now I'm going to add 4 milliliters of 85% concentrated phosphoric acid and 5 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid to the cyclohexanol that I weighed into the round bottom flask. I'll use a pipette which is marked with milliliters. So up to the mark here is 1 milliliter. I'll add 4 milliliters of the phosphoric acid to the round bottom flask. This is a coin top stopper bottle. For the coin top stopper bottles, remember you never set the stopper down on the table. Always you have to hold the stopper in your hand until you place it back on the bottle. Phosphoric acid is very corrosive. If you were to place the stopper on the lab mat, on the desk table, it would corrode the table but also contaminate the acid. Okay, so here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 milliliters of concentrated phosphoric acid, and then we need 5 drops of the concentrated sulfuric acid. Again, this is a coin top stopper bottle. Never put the stopper down on the table. Four, 5. And then we'll add a stir bar to the flask. The stir bar will stir using the magnetic stirrer that we placed under the round bottom flask. So add that to the mixture. Clamp the round bottom flask back in place. And now we need to raise the sand bath. So now the sand bath can heat the round bottom flask. I'm going to adjust this because right now it has the tubing touching the hot plate. We don't want that. Okay, so what I'll do next is turn on the water. So the water will go from the water faucet here into the lower part of the condenser, flow through the condenser, and back out and drain into the sink. So I'll turn the water on slowly. I don't want the hoses to pop. And so you can see that water's flowing and draining into the sink, going through the condenser to cool the vapors. What I'll do next is turn on the magnetic stirrer. You probably can't see. I'm going to move this so you can see a little close up. You can see the stirrer is stirring. And what I'll do next, I'll turn on the heat. So it'll start heating the sand bath. As it heats, the temperature will go up and we'll start distilling some of the cyclohexanol as it forms. And so that's the setup. Turn the stirring down a little bit. and we just wait now for our product to form.